Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy recipes. Today I am going to make chicken jhol recipe. I hope you all will like it. This is the masalas which I am going to use for the chicken jhol. Means there will be gravy, extra gravy in it and little bit thin gravy. Today I am going to put the masalas. You can see this is ginger, garlic, red dry chilies, green chilies, black pepper and jeera. All this I will grind it. This is the chicken. This is 3 paws. I have washed it. So come on, let us start the recipe. Friends, to make the chicken jhol recipe I will use mustard oil. So I am putting mustard oil. I have cut up some onions also. This I am going to fry in the oil. Friends, now I will put the onions. I will put in the bay leaves also. Friends, I have taken this darchini and some long. This also I will put in. Now I will fry the onions brown. Friends, the onion is turned brown, you can see. Now I will put in the salt. Put in the saffron, the turmeric powder. And put in the masala which I have shown you. I will not put chili powder. If you all want to put chili powder, you all can put, because I have already used dry chilies, red dry chilies and green chilies. I will use Kashmiri mirch powder. Now let the masala turn brown. Friends, you can see that masala is turning brown. See the masala? Now I will put in the chicken. Put in some potatoes. I will let the chicken fry along with the masalas for a little while. Friends, the chicken is frying with the masala. You can see how nice it's looking. Delicious, yummy. Now I will add some Kashmiri mirch powder. I will fry this a bit along with the Kashmiri mirch powder. Friends, you can see the chicken frying, how nicely it's frying. Now I will add some water. Today I am making chicken jhol recipe, so the gravy will be little extra today. Put in some meat masala. I am using meat masala, you can see. I have chopped up some dhania patti and some tomatoes. This also I will put in. I will cover this up and let the curry cook. Friends, you can see the chicken jhol recipe, how nice it's looking, very yummy, delicious, and it's got extra gravy. The gravy also is thin. I hope you all will like it. Thanks for watching my video.